Short vowel A, word making, page 9. Okay, now let's start. Match the rhyming words. Here also we have to match the rhyming words. Look here, one is done for us. Jam. So dam. Alright. So cap, map. We will match. Okay. Fat, cat. Wax, fax. Here also we have to do the same thing. Cam, jam. Tap, lab. Bat, hat. Tax, wax. Okay. Now look down, match and write the words. We have to match and we have to write the words in these columns. Jam. Alright. Tap. We will write here. Bat. And fax. Okay. Now jam, tap, bat, fax. We have to write all these in these columns. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with correct answer. We have to fill the blanks with the correct answer. Look at this picture. This is a cat. Very good. So, cat. Fat, sat on my lap. Fat cat sat on my lap. Fat cat sat on my lap. The ran to the man. Look at this picture. This is rat. Rat. So the rat ran to the man. Okay. Now look here. This is jam. Jam. The jam is in the can. Can. The jam is in the can. The dash in on the mat. Look here. What is this picture? Yes, this is bat. Bat. So the bat in on the mat. Look here, this is tap. Tap. The rat ran to the tap. Yes, very good. Short vowel A, word making, page 10. Okay, now let's start. Choose and write the correct sound pattern for each following picture. Okay, look here. We have sound patterns written over here and we have pictures here. We have to write the correct sound pattern with the pictures. Now let's read the sound pattern first. Add, ag, an, app, ax. Okay, so these sound pattern we have to match and we have to write in the pictures. Okay, this is a picture of a cat. Very good. So cat, cat. This is van. an, van. All right. This is fax. Yes. Fax. Fax. This is wax. 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 This is bag. 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 This is sad. Ad. Add. Sad. This is bat. Yes. So t. This is fan. An. Fan. This is mat. Mat. This is cap. Cap. This is jam. Jam. And this is tap. Tap. Okay. Short vowel A, word making, page 11. Okay. Read and write 3-letter words. So here we have to write 3-letter words with A sound. Ed. So look here, one is done for us. Ed. Bed. Okay. Ed. Bed. Ed. Red. We have to write here. Ed. Red. Ed. Wed. Egg. Beg. Egg. Leg. And egg. Peg. Okay. Now look here. This is A and this is N. So N. Now look here, one is done for us. Den. Hen. Men. Pen. Ten. Yen. Okay. Now look here. This is A and this is et. Get. Jet. Let. Met. Net. Pet. All right.